Welcome. If you want to enter one-handed mode in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the search bar and type your hand. Pick up the one-handed mode, and right now let's activate this function, and we can also pick up the size of this one-handed mode. So I'm going for the 4.5 inches, and right now we have to simply just swipe from the left or the right from the home button, and as you can see here it's open. Right now we are able to reach every part of the screen with one hand, and if you want to close this mode you can just tap on the arrow outside. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.